Hello everyone, in this section we will learn the max, min, count, average and some functions that are frequently used in the select command. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. I am writing a select query to see all the data of the products table. We have accessed all the data of the table. We can use the min function to reach the minimum value of the price column. We found the smallest value in the column. We can use the max function to reach the maximum value of the price column. We found the largest value in the column. Most of the time we want to reach the number of rows in the table. We can find out the number of rows in the table with the count function. For example, let's find out the data number of the product ID column. It contains 77 values. At the same time, this value is equal to the number of rows in the table. Now let's find the average value in a column. We use the average function to find the mean value. Let's find the average value of the price column. You can find the sum of all values of the column. I will use the sum function for this. I can do a different mathematical operation instead of the average function. My goal is to find the average value again. I'm dividing the total value by the number of data in the column. I can find the mean value indirectly like this. It works the same as the average function. In this section, we will learn the max, min, count, average and some functions that are frequently used in the select command. Thanks for watching. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.